Hi, I'm Kristyn owner of Bend Beyond. Today's posture focus is toe stand, Padangusthasana. Toe stand comes at the end of the standing series in many of our yoga classes, and more than any other yoga posture, has a real mixed bag of emotions that come along with it. For some people, it's the cherry on top of the sundae, and they love the challenge of balancing on a couple of toes and the peace of mind that comes along with that. For others, they fear and dread toe stand, wishing that they could go straight to Savasana. And still others have no real thoughts about it and treat it like a second set of tree pose. So let's get one thing straight right away. There is no second set of tree pose. That's right, I'll say it again. No second set of tree pose. Yoga is a union of your mind and your body. So whether you look on the outside like you're doing tree pose or you're balanced in the full expression, as long as your mind has set the intention for toe stand, you're doing toe stand. Let's go take a closer look so we can get some tips that will help you feel more confident, calm, and connected next time you practice this amazing posture. Toe stand, Padangusthasana. Remember, it all starts in the mind. Make the intention that you're gonna try toe stand and give it your best effort. Focus first on the floor, 4 feet in front of you. A strong focus will help you balance throughout this posture. Bring your foot up as high as you can on the thigh and hands palms in front of your chest. If your foot starts to slip, go ahead and hold the foot as you go down. Bend over at your waist, and if you need to, micro bend the knee here. Place both hands on the floor. If your fingers barely touch or you're newer to toe stand, walk your hands forward so that you can put more weight into the hands and take the pressure off the knee as you bend your knee to bring your hips down to your heels. Little tip here is pivot your heel in towards the center line of your body. This will help with balance. Walk your hands back to either side of your hips. Keep your stomach in and draw your inner thighs towards one another, lifting in your pelvic floor, abdomen strong. This will help with balance. Steady focus and slowly left hand up, center of your chest. Then if you can balance, right hand up, palms together. Focus strong, stretch up, and enjoy this peaceful balancing posture. To come out opposite the way you went in. Place your hands on the floor, even walk them forward again. Then straighten your leg, lift your hips up, suck your stomach in, and come all the way back to standing, trying to return to your starting point, and then feet together, arms down by your side, and never be afraid to give yourself a smile of victory in the front mirror. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.